Hi! Today we're making the Swedish chocolate balls with a Christmassy look and flavor. Add soft butter to a bowl. Then add sugar, cocoa, oats, vanilla sugar, and water, or if you prefer, cold coffee. And a really important ingredient, a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients together. In the original recipe, you shape them into balls and then roll them in pearl sugar or coconut flakes. It depends on what you prefer, actually. But I want to give them like a Christmassy look, so here I shaped them to little Christmas trees, and I colored the coconut flakes green color, so it would look like a Christmas tree, obviously. I decorated them with some sprinkles and powdered sugar over, and I think they look so cute, like snowy Christmas trees. And here I made a candy cane chocolate balls. So you shape it into a ball and then you dip it in melted chocolate, and you can choose which one you like. I chose the semi-sweet chocolate, and then just sprinkle crushed candy canes on the top. And oh my god, it's so delicious. You have to try it. Next up, if you want to go easy, you just shape them into a ball and then you just roll them in Christmassy sprinkles. And it's as easy as that.